Good morning, I'm Jim Scott, and welcome to Thursday, January the 15th. We are tracking a powerful Arctic front today that is reshaping the weather across much of the lower 48. After a relative mild start to the month, winter is clearly reclaiming its territory. Our biggest concern today includes dangerous winds across the plains and a sharp temperature drop moving into the east. So stick around and we'll break it down for you. Our top story this morning is the intense wind event developing across the high plains and parts of the central United States. High wind watches and red flag warnings are in effect for portions of Wyoming, Montana, Colorado, and Kansas. Sustained northwesterly winds will range from 30 to 40 miles per hour, with gusts reaching up to 60 to 75 miles per hour. These powerful winds, combined with very dry air, are creating a serious risk for rapid grass fires spreading. Drivers should also be prepared for blowing dust, reduced visibility, and hazardous travel, especially along major corridors like Interstate 70 and 80. If you're traveling or working outdoors in these areas, extreme caution is advised. Now let's head east, where it's a race against the thermometer today. The Arctic front will sweep through the eastern seaboard, bringing a dramatic temperature drop. In cities like Washington, D.C. and Philadelphia, the day may start with rain, but as colder air rushes in, the rain could briefly change to snow flurries. By sunset, temperatures will be running 10 to 20 degrees below average, with a noticeable colder feeling settling in quickly. Around the Great Lakes, cold air is moving over the warmer water, continuing to fuel the lake effect snow showers, especially across western New York and parts of Michigan. And the cold doesn't stop there. Even the deep south is feeling the impact. Cities as far as Atlanta are opening warming centers tonight, with overnight lows expected to dip into the low 20s. Meanwhile, out west, the weather story is very different. A strong ridge of high pressure remains in control across the west coast and the Rockies. Temperatures there will run 10 to 15 degrees above normal, bringing plenty of sunshine and dry conditions. While that's great for traveling and outdoor plans, it does come with a downside. The ongoing dry stretch is contributing to a developing snow drought, potentially in the Sierra Nevada and the Cascades, something we'll continue to monitor closely in the weeks ahead. So today is all about contrast. High winds and fire danger in the plains, a sharp Arctic plunge in the east, and quite unseasonably mild weather out west. I'll continue tracking how this Arctic air settles in and whether additional winter weather develops as we move deeper into the week. At your National Weather Forecast, I'm Jim Scott at the Weather Desk. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Jim Scott's Weather Desk. Let's take a look at what's ahead across Indiana and Ohio, because winter is firmly in control, and we have several chances for snow as we head through the next few days. Scattered snow showers occurring across the region will end early this morning. Any accumulation will be less than an inch, and this will create slick roadways. Not all roads will be affected, but you should be aware that driving conditions may change quickly along your route, going from dry to slick roads. If you're traveling this morning, use extra caution and allow extra time to reach your destination. For today, we'll see plenty of sunshine skies across the region. Despite the sunshine, it stays cold with the afternoon highs topping out near 24 degrees. Winds will be out of the northwest at 11 miles per hour, with wind gusts as high as 22 miles per hour, adding an extra chill to the air. It's a bright day, but definitely a bundle up kind of day. As we move into Thursday night, clouds will gradually increase after 1 a.m. There is a chance of light snow developing. Overnight lows fall to around 17 degrees. Winds will shift from the west to the south late, with the gusts still reaching around 22 miles per hour. Snow amounts look light, generally less than a half inch, but even small amounts could create slick spots by Friday morning. On Friday, we'll keep mostly cloudy skies with another chance of snow, mainly before 1 p.m. High temperatures climb a bit, reaching to 35 degrees. South winds increase to 11 to 14 miles per hour, with gusts up to 28 miles per hour. Snow accumulation could reach up to 1 inch in spots, but most areas will see lighter totals. Friday night stays mostly cloudy, with another chance of snow developing after 1 a.m. Lows dip to around 21 degrees. Winds turn southwest at 7 to 9 miles per hour, with occasional gusts near 20 miles per hour. Additional snow looks light, generally less than a half inch. As we head into Saturday, snow chances continue mainly before midday. Skies remain mostly cloudy, and highs stay cold near 24 degrees. Snow chances set around 30%, with little additional accumulation expected. Saturday night turns very cold. Clouds linger and temperatures drop sharply to around 6 degrees by Sunday morning. Sunday brings partly sunny skies, but it stays frigid. High struggles to reach around 16 degrees for a high. Sunday night remains mostly cloudy, with lows falling to around 8 degrees. And then Monday is Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and we'll see partly sunny skies with highs near 18 degrees. By Monday night, skies turn partly cloudy once again, and temperatures plunge to around 2 degrees, marking that coldest air of this stretch. So overall, Indiana and Ohio remains locked in a cold, wintry pattern with several light snow chances and dangerous cold temperatures, especially overnight. I'll continue tracking these systems closely and let you know if snow chances increase or the timing changes. That's your latest forecast from Jim Scott's Weather Desk. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you next with the next weather update.